Konti lang pala yung ano, yung kulay pink. Ano ba yun?
Cranberry.
Alam mo, sasakit talaga ng kulay ko.
Blueberry na lang kasi.
Kasi si Reggie Celine, taas ng boses. Wala. So coming back, so coming back.
Well,
May sipon ako, kaya pagpasensya ko na.
Pag medyo manly yung song. Medyo malingi yung boses. So, very good. Nine, back up. Yes. Back up, nine. Kala ko isa sa ako. There were nights when the wind was so cold. Yes.
Yes, 90.
Tapos na i-cut down mo na.
Kaksan mo, ne.
Wala pa, te. There were days when the sun was so cruel. And all the tears turned to dust.
Boss!
And I just knew my last
Mentor!
was
Mentor!
I finished trying in the instant that you left. And I can't remember where or when or how.
Yes, 93.
And I banished every memory you and I had ever made.
Gusto ko namin yung hot. Ayan.
I just have to admit that it's all coming back to me. Touched you like this, touched you like that.
Papapalit
So hard to believe that it's all coming back to me. It's all coming back. It's all coming back to me now. There were moments of gold and there were flashes of light. There were things I'd never do again, but then they always seemed right. There were nights of endless pleasure. It was more than on your love song. Baby, 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 I miss you like this. And if you whisper like that, it was lost long ago, but it's all coming back to me. If you want me like this, and if you need me like that, it was that long ago, but it's all coming back to me. So hard to resist, and it's all coming back to me. I can barely recall, but it's all coming back to me I'm pretty sure it was all coming back to me.
Pause ka na yun, na. Pero ano pa sa kakanta?
I was sick last night.
Pero nga dito, nagdugay lang ako. Mamaya nasa na hindi ano na yan.
Ano mentor? That just went on my eyes. And it all lasted count of all the chances that were lost to us.
Nag-stuck sa 94, dinasalan ni Eric.
Oh, hindi ah! But you were history with this slamming up the door. And I made myself so strong again somehow.
O yung kinikili mo naman.
Wasted any of my time on useless time. Mamaya may sakit na ako ulit.
May sakit nga ba siya? Ano yan? Maya-maya.
Cellphone. and they always seem kind. There were nights of endless pleasure. It was fun and I love so long. Baby, 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 when you touch me like this, when you hold me like that, it was gone went away, but it's all coming back to me. When you see me like this, and when I see you like that, and we see what we want to see, all coming back to me. The flesh and the fantasies, all coming back to me. I can barely recall, but it's all coming back to me now. Thank you very much.
Galing! Mentor! Wow, natalo ko sa medyo! Wala pa, hindi pa tapos. Ano nga? Reg! Huwag ka na lumaban! Mataas! Wala na! Taasan mo! Sana nalamunan ko.
Pato contest? Pataasan? Kaya ba kumakanta?
Sige, mamigil ka na. And it's all coming back to me.
I'm here.
Uy, 93 na!
See what
Uy, yung upuan pala ate.
Oh, you slap off!
coming back
Saan?
No,
Tawag dito, side. Ha? Ayun, yung upuan. Yo, kita mo ngayon ate. Uy, mo kayo. Ayos lang. Ate, yung mga upuan. Dali na sa baba.
Ang tagal!
Hindi ko ulit sa mukha niya.
Ako lang mga point. Ano si nanay? Ay, kanina ba to?